We may see a shower storm later today. I wouldn't get your hopes, super high, maybe up to about here, not really high. But there could be a storm popping up later today as a weak cold front gets close. And once again, I wouldn't get your hopes up about a big weather change with the cold front. Still near 100 today. That front should get stuck near us or to our north later tonight and tomorrow. But I think our best rain chances today, and even it's not that amazing of a rain chance, but small chances of a rain may continue beyond today into tomorrow and then at times into the weekend. So you may get lucky and see a little rain later this week, but as far as maybe a burst of some rain with a thunderstorm, that may happen later this evening. We'll have to wait and see. It's kind of borderline like it often is here. It does feel hot though, no shortage of heat. This is how hot it feels with the heat index. The humidity and temperature factored in together. It feels like 103 in Harlingen, 105 in McAllen, even 100 in Port Isabel. Actual air temperatures are mainly in the mid to upper 90s now. We're at 95 in McAllen. Rio Grande City checked out for lunch, and 96 in Brownsville. So it is hot. It is mostly sunny and not too much happening right now. There's the cold front. It would be so nice if this front came through. I mean, look behind the front. It's like a beautiful day. 80s and some sunshine in North Texas. There are some areas of rain along the front, though, headed toward Houston. But the cooler weather you see on this map, probably not going to make it. But as the front gets a little bit closer, it could build up the moisture here to give us a better shot at a shower or storm later this evening. You can see on the satellite radar here, this is over the last 12 hours, the moisture being pushed along with the cold front, some showers and storms. The heaviest rain kind of near Houston right now, and there is a risk of severe weather on this scale here, which if you think this is kind of the low end of severe weather threats with not as many widespread severe storms possible, and then you get up here and this is where it can be really intense and more widespread. On the very low end, but marginal, they call it, around the Houston area later this afternoon, still some possible storms there. This kind of light shaded area is where there could be just ordinary thunderstorms possible, and we're in that area through today and tonight. So again, a thunderstorm could occur. Future track doesn't have a lot of rain on it, but I think that there's a lot of moisture squeezing in today, so if a storm does pop up, it might have a quick burst of some heavy rain, not just like a little 10-minute shower where you get like a quarter of an inch. It might actually be kind of heavy if it does form. Future track tries to show maybe a shower developing as early as 2 p.m., but as we go through later today, Future track again tries to show a shower or storm just in spots popping up as we get closer to sunset and this evening before anything could die off later tonight. So kind of watch this, guys. I think from about say 3 p.m. to about 9 or 10 p.m. into the evening hours is your best chance to maybe see a random shower or storm pop up. And then tomorrow things kind of dry out. I think we'll see some sunshine, very low rain chances, maybe 10% or so tomorrow. Future track shows nothing on the map tomorrow, and the same thing could be true for Thursday. Probably looking at sunshine and practically no rain around the valley for Thursday coming up. So your rain chances go from 30% overall today, kind of split between some this afternoon and some this evening, and then tomorrow down to about 10%, and then probably back to dry on Thursday. It may come up to about 10% or so by Friday or Saturday. 99 today for high, but could hit 100 in the upper valley. A chance for rain this afternoon at about 20%, but then add in maybe another 20% later this evening. So, kind of add those up together, and somehow it comes out to 30%. Overall, I think for the day, maybe up to about a third of the valley could see some rain if a thunderstorm or two do form later today. So kind of watch that. But by tomorrow, temperatures still very hot, near 100 degrees. The humidity may be a little bit lower Wednesday and Thursday with that front nearby, but it doesn't do much. It might cool temperatures a couple degrees at night, but highs still stay in the 90s throughout the rest of the week. And again, maybe about a 10% chance of a shower or storm could return by Friday and Saturday, even Sunday. Small chances of a shower or storm each afternoon. But generally, for most of you, I think today is your best shot of rain, and still only about 30% today and this evening, and then very low rain chances for most days after that. But we'll keep tracking any threat for a shower or thunderstorm and chances for rain in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.